Ready to make your meetings more effective? Handling a motion in a formal meeting can seem very mysterious to people new to the process. Even for people who have been around for years, these folks can pick up bad habits that lead to procedural potholes. So how should you take a proposal from idea to action? In this video, we break down the 6 essential steps from the moment you're recognized by the chair to the clear and actionable result. Whether you're chairing a meeting or actively participating, mastering these 6 steps will keep business moving smoothly and efficiently. Don't let confusion slow you down. Learn how to bring clarity and purpose to every single motion. Let's dive into it. Step 1. A member makes a motion. After being recognized by the chair, it's now time to get your idea in front of the group for debate and discussion. We do this by using the phrase, "I move that," and then putting in the proposal. For example, I move that we create a student scholarship. Step 2. Another member seconds the motion. Now, recognition from the chair is not required, nor is it required for the seconder to support the motion that was put forward. A second only means that at least one other member of the group thinks that this idea, this motion, is worthy of consideration and discussion. Step 3. The chair states the question to the group. This is done for 2 reasons. Now, maybe you haven't watched any of my smart motion videos, and maybe your idea is only half-baked at this point. And this moment between when you move the motion and when the chair restates it to the group, there's a little bit of wiggle room where you and the chair can work out the precise wording that will get to the idea that you're putting forward to the group. Also, maybe not everybody was listening when you moved the motion. I know, hard to believe. But now when the chair restates the question, the chair is able to ensure that everybody is listening and everybody understands what their proposal is that they are going to be discussing. The second reason is to take the question that you've put forward, the motion, the proposal, and give it to the group. What I mean here is it's no longer your motion. It now belongs to the entire group. The group can make decisions about changing, altering, postponing the motion, but they do this as a group through other motions being applied to your main proposal. Step 4. The members debate the motion. This is where you get a chance to argue in favor or argue against the proposal. Remember to stick to the merits of the motion, all of the pros and all of the cons, and be very respectful. And this is also where you get to make those changes through amendments or through other motions that may lay it aside so that you can go back and do a little bit more research and come back to the group with a fully formed thought process on why you support or why you are against the motion. One example of altering the motion is maybe the motion wasn't as specific as you would like it to be, but you think it's still a good idea. So using our example, maybe you want a spending cap on the proposal to create a student scholarship. So you would amend the original main motion to include no more than $2,000. Regardless, at this point, the motion's destiny is in the hands of the entire group. Step 5. The chair puts the question. Time for discussion and debate is now over, and the chair now puts the question in its final form to the group for a vote. At this point, the chair will articulate clearly what is being asked and ask all of those in favor, all of those against. If there's a request for a recorded vote at this point, the chair will manage that process. Step 6. The chair announces the result of the vote and its effect. What was the majority's voice on this motion? Was it adopted? Did it fail? And what does this mean in practice? If those in favor of creating a student scholarship won, the chair would say that the motion carried and we will create a $2,000 student scholarship. Now you know the 6 steps to action. So what's one thing that you can take away from this video and start doing today that will improve your impact in your meetings? The next time that you are getting ready for a formal meeting, why not prepare in advance some actionable and specific language that you can do to craft a motion? For example, I move that we set aside $2,000 from this year's budget to create a student scholarship. This ensures that your motion is ready for discussion and debate and will lead to better decision making. If you want to continue along this journey of getting better at creating clear and concise motions, check out any of my Smart Motion videos. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe and check out one of these 2 videos here or here. And I will see you next time. That can be thoroughly debated and lead to good decision making.